Good evening, everyone. Thanks for joining me in this video. I am Okochapi Marcel. Today is the 15th day of June 2025, being Sunday. The youths in Benue State have taken the streets protesting against the incessant killing by the Fulani terrorists in their state, and they are also calling out the military, the police, for collaborating with these killer herdsmen, like what happened yesterday beside the Air Force base in Makurdi. The same terrorists stormed over there and they committed atrocities over there, and no one arrested them. Now, they are on the street protesting, but what you are going to see in the course of watching this video is going to amaze you. Police is throwing tear gas at them. A single attack that happened on Friday took the lives of 200 people just one day. These people are protesting. The police are now throwing them tear gas. Let me tell you, Nigerians, the only language the terrorists will understand is eye for an eye, and whatever measure they come with, let it be the same measure you are going to give them. That is why I never condemn anyone who rise to the occasion of defending their people, even though they were arrested and put in detention and so on and so forth, because I know where they are coming from. I know what is going on in Nigeria. I know the information coming from north to south, east to west. I know what is going on. The politicians are sponsoring insecurity in Nigeria.
Alright, so I am live in Yelewata in Benue State, where the attack took place yesterday that claimed the lives of over 200 persons, the herdsmen attack. Now, what my eyes have seen, my mouth cannot speak unless you people see it by yourself. So please follow me with the camera. Now, if you notice something, you can see the smoke still coming out because everywhere was burnt. Please take the camera around. Now, let me show you this thing. Please. This video is very sensitive, so it might be very disturbing for you, so a warning is on the video. Thank you. Now, these are human beings. This is a child that was burnt to ashes. This is another one. This is number 2. This is number 3. This is number 4. Please. This is number 4. This is 5. This is 6. Now look at the skull of this one. This is 7. These are their bones. These are children that were born in this place. As I am counting now, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just in this room alone. Look at their bones. Look at their bones. Please zoom in these bones. These are their bones. Now in this room again. This room again. This is another one. 1, 2, 3. See their bones as well. They were burnt. They were all burnt to ashes. Now let's go outside. Now this is another room again. This is another person. This one you can see. This one is still even very much fresh. The body is still very fresh. Another room again. Another room again. This is another place again. Please come. See their bones. Get it. See bone. This is the bone of a human being. See, this is a child. This is a child. See another one. These are children. These are children that were massacred here. Burnt to ashes here. Now, the reason why I came here, I'll go and interview some of the persons that were there, that witnessed everything, that can explain. The reason why I came is, one thing I've noticed is that it seems the government don't know what is happening. Maybe because it is not in their faces yet. I don't know why back in the day, when things like this happen, the news, the media bring it to our faces. But nowadays, it's as if maybe they have paid them not to come and talk about things like this, and it's please bros, let's just go. So Please, who is that man that was here yesterday? Please, can you come? I'll still take you guys around the area so that you can see. Bros, please. Good day. My name is Very Dark Man. I just came here when I heard what happened. I came here to see the situation of things, and I'm not going to lie to you. What I saw now really broke my heart. Seeing all these people burned to ashes, really broke my heart. So I have just one purpose: to put it out there for the government to really see what is going on. You know. So please, can you tell us what happened yesterday? You don't need to use English. Use pidgin, more the flow well.
Okay. Yesterday we were in our town at around 10:45.
10:45.
Yeah.
In the morning.
In the evening.
In the evening.
That is in the night.
Yes.
Then it started raining, so we were indoor. Then at about the time now, then the husband Fulani men just came nowhere. They started hunting us at the police station over there.
Yeah, at the police station. That's where it started.
Yes. No, fully. They knew very well that the police station are there and they are wear arms, preparing for whatever that will comes. Okay. Then from there,
did they chase the policemen away?
No, the policemen were there to attack them. They did their job.
They did their best.
Their best. Then from there, knowing that okay, they have attacked them fully there, then another group was down here without the notice of the policemen. Then they started opening the door from one door to another. They were with many weapons. They break the door. While entering into the door, into the room, they'll pour the fuel, and then
light fire.
And then that is how it started. And we are hopeless. And what you have seen here now, a lot of people that die in our community is unexpected. We did not believe that such will happen in our own area, such will happen in our own town. Because we were thinking that the government is there for us. But around 10:45 p.m., there was no security to come to our aid. It is our community youth
that stood up
for this. We were hopeless. From 10:45 p.m. it started. Then it was around 2 o'clock. These people did what they want to do.
And they left. Did you people manage to even exchange or fight anyone, or even take one as well? As they are buying your people, you fighting them. But did you manage to even take the life of any one of them?
Yeah, the youth tried a lot. Tried. What they would have.
No, none of them.
None of them. But what I mean is,
they tried their best to defend the town.
From there, the security came when they see the policemen. Sincerely, we need to appreciate the policemen, because if not for the policemen, this town would have been down now. What you would have seen here would have been a mess.
Okay, let me go around the place because I saw a lot of places that are burned.
Yes.
So please, let's go together.
Very dark man.
I saw the amount of people. There that were killed. Yeah. Even here too. How many people? How many people do you say was killed there? 40 people. 40. Yeah.
Yes.
40 persons. Yeah. How many?
This is where they were right now. This is the
This place 35 persons.
5.
Yeah.
We'll move down.
This place.
Let's go down.
Let's go down.
Okay.
This is where they lie down, the one that they bound inside the room. You see those ones that are being covered here. It was them that they're burning people.
Hey, bro. How many people died here? Or this is where you store your food?
Yes, here is 15.
15 people.
Yes. And this is the honor of
Please.
the police.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's sad. Sorry, madam.
Yeah.
Sorry for your loss. Sorry for your loss. So what are they doing now? What's this they are doing?
It's rice.
They're separating the ones that
Okay, the one that was born.
yes,
Yes.
trying to recover back the remnants. Yes.
So she also lost
Something bags of rice.
the woman.
The man.
The man.
Oh
Yes.
man,
The whole place was filled with rice. Yes.
almost 200. That should be estimated to like how much? Huh?
Probably around 20-something million or so.
Jesus Christ.
And this man that you have seen there is the richest man in this town.
He lost his
man in
brother
town.
in
He's lost
the
his
process.
brother.
Two brothers and a
A
wife.
pharmacy.
Yeah, the guy studied pharmacy.
Sorry for your loss, sir. Sorry, sir, for your loss. Sorry, sir.
So we'll move forward.
Let's move forward.
Yes, we have other places.
Four people.
Yes, the mother of the Reverend Father. And
You can see what he said is
The
blood.
mother of a reverend father.
yes.
So all these are blood.
Yeah.
Sibling, one little girl that just graduated from State University. Mother of the Reverend Father. Yes. That is where they killed the
farmer.
Yeah. We'll go down to that place. There's another place down
There
there.
are other places down there.
Let's go. That side. I think we should go there first. I think we should go here. I think we should go there.
Okay.
Let's go there.
It's all right. Yeah. Here is 5 persons.
5 persons, yeah.
Yes. 5 persons.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Yeah, it's not happening.
Well,
Blood.
Animals. Yeah.
you can come inside.
Oh God. Go inside.
Just give space.
See. See. Bros, yeah, let's start from there.
Let's just start from there. Like from this vicinity, the ones that we are able to recover.
How many people died?
There were 10. Yes, within here, from this particular area, we were able to recover 10.
10
persons.
10 persons that we were able to recover. The other one going to ashes. Yes. Okay. We have 10. That we
Then the other one's gone to ashes.
Other one going to ashes.
Is it like that? Yeah. It looks like you will shovel.
Their major target was on the stores because they know this is where they store the food stuff, and they were burning the food stuff into ashes.
They were just burning the food stuff. Look at a large amount of rice. You guys too. Maybe somebody should help me carry the cat. Maybe I can take the cat. If you don't mind. Don't carry me. So once they don't send anybody, there's no problem. Once you see people, they see the fire. Yes. And they just set the fire. You, are you thief? You are thief? You can pass as a fool and you. I promise you, you can pass as a fool and you. Wow. That's man.
Yes, it's another store. Look at him. The man I show you over there.
That's the man.
Yes.
Well, see, I don't get anything to give you, but to just relieve your stress. I don't have much to give you, man. Nothing I won't give you now where go take anything. You understand? There's nothing I want to give you that will take nothing. There's nothing I want to give you that will take nothing.
God bless you.
Thank you, sir.
There's nothing I can replace what
You're too kind.
Too kind.
Send that man and give him one. That's one of the parts. I ain't take one. This same place is for him.
Yeah. Yes. The man I'm talking about.
Hold on, no. This is the man's store again.
Hello?
That very man, his third store.
His third store. That man has lost a lot. A lot. The only brother. And the other and the two wives.
Let's talk.
Only blood brother they have.
One brother, one sister.
And
Two children. We still have a long way to go.
Sure say I go fit follow now because it's on the
Okay. If it is,
don't they get me.
yeah, it is okay for you. Then we will leave it.
Don't they get me. I don't like to.
Yeah. But we're almost.
Okay,
Yeah, we'll move like that. Then it will be a nice.
This is my first time in Benue. No, we don't have. There's no ball here. No, we don't have. Oh boy, this one is deep. What? I'll put the name of this place. This is still the man's store.
No, this is not.
This is your store.
We lost almost 12 people there yesterday, gone to ashes. So we are able to recover 9 that were buried. There is one there, hidden there, that we don't know the person yet.
Hidden with the, inside this rice.
Yeah.
So if you open it now, they'll see somebody.
Yes, there is someone here, because yesterday as I was trying to recover the remains, I discovered someone here, and there was nothing I could do. Because
please don't open it, don't open it, don't open it.
I just said cover in case of any.
If people take this many one, may not be achieved. That's the all I have, eh? This thing they put me in, the more just go, I think I just go, then it's okay.
He's tired.
Talk about tired.
Yeah, it was up to 14 people here.
This place?
Yes, you can go close.
14 people?
Yes, we found 6 people here.
See blood?
Yes, 6 people here around this spot. Then we are outside here. 14 we are inside. Those one we will recover. A lot went to ashes, we can't even recover. Except as the time goes on, the people that are missing, they will feel that this one is no longer there. If they give you a marginal number now, it's just an assumption.
Really?
Because we don't know actually. Yes. If we should tell you we lost 200 people, it's an assumption. For sure, it's more. The one we recovered yesterday, we were able to bury was 176.
Ah! Look at the ones inside.
The ones
see the ones that have been burned.
And till date, I'm just asking, did you see this guy? They said no, they haven't seen him. I think that one too has been taken. A lot of people, like almost 7 people that can still remember that we haven't seen them till now.
I don't have anything to do. All I can do is to just say people should see what's going on.
This is genocide.
No, this is it.
It is genocide. It's serious. Federal government need to help us. Nigeria need to help us. The whole
I think this is my first time in this state. Wow. This is the first thing I'm meeting.
Are you very dark man or you don't look like you?
You're very dark man.
Oh, I saw you. I said very dark, but I feel like.
Anyways, my brother.
It's your brother.
No,
okay.
no. I said I'm talking to you.
Okay.